Tell me who made it possible?
Who made it possible? Who made it possible?
Only God made it possible.
God made it possible. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hey, hey, hey. Girl, I wish say, I fit say, you too fine past my mama, but that is impossible. No, thumbs up to your mama, cause she made it possible. Hey, girl, you too fine. My girl, I still believe, say, I fit say, you too fine past my mama, but that is impossible. Oh, you be the photocopy of your mama, carbon copy of your papa too. You too fine. Hey. Some people still believe, say, that it's nothing like an African beauty. Hey, we did the answer, that is beauty in the African system. Africans, we are the best. When it comes to beauty, man, we they run the rest. Nobody fit try you, cause your beauty's endless. Nevertheless, the black skin color is featherless. Now you know, say, now your mama, and your papa, this no be small matter. Are you feeling me too, baba?
Somebody say, ooh, girl.
Ooh, girl.
You are my African queen, the girl of my dream. Took me where I never been. You make my heart go ting-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling.
Girl, I don't wish say, I fit say, you too fine past my mama, but that is impossible. No, thumbs up to your mama, cause she made it possible.
She made it possible.
Girl, you too fine. My girl, I still believe, say, I fit say, you too fine past my mama, but that is impossible. No, you be the photocopy of your mama, carbon copy of your papa too. Girl, you too fine. Tell me who made it possible? Your mama, your papa, your mama, your papa. Only God made it possible. Go ask your mama, your papa.
What is the possibility? Baby girl, it is you that I see. From the eyes of the eagle, it's like impossibility. Cause people know they see the way I see ya. Your beauty is so pure and so clean from within that they feel like. And if you understand within it be, every time I go and put out the fire, you kill it, she are the free, I they get the love and speed when I stay with you. Everybody truly know now.
Say, get up and stand up, don't let it shine. Your beauty is divine, yeah, you too fine. Oh no, I need you by my side to be my wife, the mother of my child. So help me sing it.
Somebody say, ooh, girl.
Ooh, girl.
You are my African queen, the girl of my dream. Took me where I never been. Make my heart go ting-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling.
Girl, I don't wish say, I fit say, you too fine past my mama, but that is impossible. No, thumbs up to your mama, cause she made it possible. Girl, you too fine. My girl, I still believe, say, I fit say, you too fine past my mama, but that is impossible. No, you be the photocopy of your mama, carbon copy of your papa too. Girl, you too fine. Tell me who made it possible? Your mama, your papa, your mama, your papa. Only God made it possible. Go ask your mama, your papa. What is the possibility? See, I'm a true born African king. You are a true born African queen. My mama born the rude boy African singer. So now who born this African beauty? Now your mama, and your papa, this no be small matter. Are you feeling me too, baby?
Let me hear you say, ooh, girl.
Ooh, girl.
Hey, you are my African queen, the girl of my dream. Took me where I never been. You make my heart go ting-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling.
Girl, I don't wish say, I fit say, you too fine past my mama, but that is impossible. No, thumbs up to your mama, cause she made it possible. Girl, you too fine.
What is the possibility?
Girl, I still believe, say, I fit say, you too fine past my mama, but that is impossible. No, you be the photocopy of your mama, carbon copy of your papa too. Girl, you too fine.
Girl,
Girl, you too fine.
Girl,